Hello and welcome. We hope you are well and staying safe wherever you are. And in today's episode, we're going to be sharing with you how we accidentally killed the DJI Mavic Mini. And a little bit down the track, we'll also show you how we lost the DJI Mavic 2. And yes, we killed 2 drones in 1 year. Which is why it's very important to get DJI's Care Refresh, especially if you're an accident-prone drone enthusiast like we are. Look, if you're not aware of DJI's Care Refresh, it's basically like Apple Care, but instead of a screen replacement whenever you crack your screen, whenever you damage your drone, DJI's Care Refresh will fully replace your damaged drone for a tiny fee.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
So, our story starts in beautiful sunny Phuket back in December 2019, back before the coronavirus became a pandemic, and back before all international travels were halted. Weighing in at 249 grams, the Mavic Mini is the perfect travel drone for people that love to travel light. This little drone is smaller than your iPhone, and it's capable of shooting videos at 2.7K resolution. There is no 4K, but it does a decent job. And if you get it with the Fly Mode combo, it comes with a beautiful case like this to fit all your accessories into. Now of course, the only reasons you take your travel drone with you when you travel is so that you can capture all those beautiful memories and then you can take them back with you and re-watch them during a global pandemic lockdown so that you can be reminded of how it used to be like to go outside. I haven't been outside for 30 days! Anyways, we were staying in a resort next to the beautiful Kata beach, and as you can see, our balcony is basically a swimming pool, which makes it very difficult for landing. So one evening, when I was taking our DJI Mavic Mini out for a sunset shot, upon return, this is what happened. I was also filming a time-lapse, so here's a couple of frames before the big splash. I did try drying it with a hairdryer, and it did come back online, but it wouldn't connect to the remote. So that was how our DJI Mavic Mini drowned. I will remember you, Mavic, remember me. Now, the good news here is that we purchased DJI Care Refresh before the accident. And as long as you can retrieve your drone, go to DJI service website and log a case. And then you can send your damaged drone into your local DJI repairer for an inspection. And a couple of days later, DJI got back to us recommending that we replace the entire drone due to water damage. And for $65, they replaced our Mavic Mini. Had we not gotten DJI Care Refresh, the repair would have cost us over $500. Now, there is one caveat, and that is if you somehow lose your drone, say for example, trying to do a range test with your DJI Mavic 2, something that we do not recommend you try to attempt, and somehow your Mavic 2 never made it back. Unfortunately, DJI Care Refresh does not cover lost drones. And yes, that happened to us too. And this is the last known footage of our Mavic 2 before losing it to a national park. Hey, if you want to get your DJI Care Refresh for your DJI drone, there's a couple of affiliate links in the description section below. This video is not sponsored by DJI, but if you use our links, you'll be supporting our channel. We hope you had fun watching our video, and if you have enjoyed it, please click on that like button to show your support, and so that we can continue to make more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Stay safe, fly safe, wash your hands, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.